Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Manawat and I welcome all of you to the series of triangles. We are in lecture number 6 and in this lecture we are going to discuss similar triangles. So let's see what are similar triangles. Similar triangles, they look like same but they are not exactly shape-wise or size-wise, they are not equal. As in, um, it's like you can say that you got a big building or a bridge, and you got a one model. For example, Eiffel Tower. So you have the actual Eiffel Tower, and then you get those showpieces of Eiffel Tower, right? So angle wise, the slope wise, it look like same, but size wise they are different. That is called similarity. Okay, similar triangle. So they are similar. They are not exactly size wise equal, but they are what? Similar. Okay, so that is, I hope you understand the similarity. Yeah. Now, how does this work in triangles? So in triangles, you got, let's say triangle ABC and PQR. So I have purposely taken these two triangles which are size wise not equal. So I hope you understand that. But their angle and slope and when they should look same. So how do you prove it? Like I have given you example of Eiffel Tower, actual Eiffel Tower, and you have a showpiece of that, right? So how do you say that they are actually similar? So you measure everything, every angle, every slope of these two objects, and if they are same, then you can say they are similar. They are not equal. So they are not congruent. In case of congruency is what? Which we have discussed in the previous lecture. Congruent triangle means what? They are exactly same. Like you have these two palms which are exactly same, congruent. Okay. Similar means uh, you have same looking like but not size wise. Okay. So for triangle, you can say that if their angles are equal, let's say angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle R equal to angle C. Okay, angle C equal to angle R. Okay, in that case, you can say the triangle ABC is similar. Now, this is the sign of similarity. कॉन्ग्रुएंट का साइन क्या होता है? उसमें इक्वल भी आता है. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई वी हैव इक्वल इन कॉन्ग्रुएंसी, बिकॉज वो एग्जैक्टली सेम होते हैं, एग्जैक्टली इक्वल होते हैं. और सिमिलैरिटी में इट्स ओनली सिमिलर, दे लुक अलाइक बट साइज वाइज नॉट. सो ए बी सी इज सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर. ओके, triangle ABC is similar to what? Triangle PQR. So if it is given or somehow if you can prove it, then you say that the ratio of corresponding sides, they are also equal. मतलब ratio equal होता है, sides are not equal, ratios are equal. As in, you can say AB here, triangle, the side of triangle ABC, which is AB, and then you take corresponding side here, PQ equal to side BC, and here you take what? QR. आपको कॉन्ग्रुएंसी और सिमिलर ट्रायंगल में, कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल और सिमिलर ट्रायंगल में एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छे से समझनी है कि इनका नॉमेनक्लेचर, आप जो नाम लिखते हो ट्रायंगल का, that you should be careful. Like you cannot randomly say triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP. ऐसा नहीं कर सकते आप. You need to check what are the corresponding vertices or the corresponding sides, and accordingly you write the name. Okay, once you have the name with you, you can say this AB by PQ, and you got BC by QR, which will be equal to, if you say AC here, if you take AC here, the first point and the last point, AC, with this you will say ratio with what? PR. Okay, so that's the result of similarity or similar triangles. Yeah, ratio wise they are same. Again, example, Eiffel Tower and its showpiece. So if you compare, they are ratio wise the same. Like the slope is same, angle is same, but size wise they are not. Yeah, similarity. Okay, fine. We can also say that the area of triangle ABC. In that case, here also you get ratio. Here you also get ratio. They are not equal. The triangle PQR. Like in congruent triangle, areas are also equal. But here, ratio of area equal to square of ratio of corresponding side. Like AB upon PQ, square of ratio of corresponding side. Yeah, it could be corresponding side. Even if you see that if in this triangle ABC and PQR, if you draw, let's say, altitude, like height. Okay, if you take the height of this from the same corresponding vertices, अगर यहाँ A है तो यहाँ P से start कर रहे हो, because angle A is equal to angle P. This you have proven. Okay, you proved it somehow, or it is given in the question. So if you take AD and here if you take PS, so that will also be in the same ratio as the ratio of sides. Yeah, so AD by PS, they are also in the same ratio. Okay, so this is how you work. Like the sides are in same ratio. Area is square of ratio of corresponding sides. It could be corresponding sides or corresponding height or whatsoever. अब स्क्वायर को देखो, इसको ध्यान रखने का मेथड बहुत इजी है. एरिया, सी साइड का, आपका साइड के केस में द यूनिट इज व्हाट, लाइक सेंटीमीटर, मीटर, मिलीमीटर और समथिंग, राइट? एंड इफ यू टेक एरिया, so area's unit is what? The unit of area is what? Centimeter square. So meter square. Yeah. So area is basically second order. Yeah. So that's why it is square of ratio of corresponding side. Okay. ध्यान रखने का method बहुत easy है. Yes. That's what? That's the result of the similar triangles. Now, how do you prove? How do you prove? In which are the ways you can prove that two triangles are similar? So one is, let's say, angles. So let me take example of these triangles only. And so if it is given to us that in triangle ABC, and here if I take the triangle PQR, okay, right now I'm not marking them, they are similar. Okay, so when I write they are similar, I need to keep the corresponding points in mind. Okay, so if it is given, or somehow if you can prove that two angles are equal. अब एक बात बताओ, sum of all three angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. So if two angles are equal, then third angle has to be equal. सोचो इस बात को. If angle A, if I take that angle A equal to angle Q, angle A is equal to angle Q, yeah, and angle C is equal to angle P. Yeah, so two angles are equal. So third corresponding angle will automatically be equal because sum of all three angles equal to 180 degree. तो ये बचा हुआ एंगल जो है B, that should be 180 minus A plus C. ये बचा हुआ R क्या होगा? That will be 180 minus P plus Q, and P and Q and A and C, they are equal, right? So with this, obviously third angle will be equal. हालांकि we don't have to get into that kind of detail. I hope you understand that if two angles are equal, that is enough to take. So you have angle C equal to angle P. In that case, you say the triangle ABC is similar. This is sign of similarity. ऐसा कुछ तो होता है यार. I'm really sorry for my handwriting. Yeah. So this is similar sign. That is similar to triangle. क्या लिखेंगे? PQR? No. Look at the points, corresponding points. A, you have corresponding point which is Q, and C is corresponding to P. C last में, यहाँ P last में. तो बीच में कौन आ जाएगा? बचा हुआ, which is what? R. So triangle ABC will be similar to triangle QRP. Yeah, I hope you understood this. ये नाम लिखना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये समझना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ मिस्टेक करते हैं और बहुत सारी जगह एक्सप्लेन भी नहीं किया है ठीक से कि exactly कैसे नाम लिखना चाहिए. Well, once you have these two triangles to be similar, then you can say the ratio of corresponding side, which is like what? AB here. So if I take AB here, I should take what? QR here. That's equal to, if I take BC here, I take RP here. If I have the remaining side, which is what? AC here, I'll take what? QP corresponding. Yeah, last 2 points. QP. They are equal. They are equal in ratio. Okay. If it is given, then we can say this way. Yeah. Another method is side angle side. Side angle side. That means you got two sides which are in same ratio, not equal. मतलब congruent triangle में भी हमारे पास side angle side था, but there we used to say that the sides are equal. Here we'll say that, let's say if the sides, let's say AB ratio with QR, चलो simple करता हूँ मैं, AB ratio with PQ, AB ratio with PQ is equal to another side, let's say BC with ratio QR, BC with ratio QR. ये आपको equal दिया है ratio, okay, side and side. And then एंगल का रेशियो नहीं लेते हैं, एंगल का एक्चुअल वैल्यू लेना है. एंगल शुड बी इक्वल विथ वैल्यू, नॉट इन द रेशियो, इक्वल विथ वैल्यू. सो एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू एंगल क्यू, एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू एंगल क्यू. ओके, एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू एंगल क्यू. सो साइड एंगल साइड, समझो उसको, दो साइड्स और उसके बीच का एंगल, टू साइड्स एंड द एंगल बिटवीन देम, राइट. So with side angle side, we can say two triangles are similar. So triangle ABC, I'll take similar to triangle PQR, corresponding points. Yeah, B and Q. So here B and Q, AB and here PQ. So AB के साथ हमारे पास क्या है? PQ. Okay. So here we'll say if this is given, then we can say they are then triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Given, or you can prove it somehow. अभी जब हम लोग क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे, you will understand that it is not given directly. You don't get these kind of condition given directly. You have to prove that they are equal or they are in this condition. All right. Okay. Next condition क्या हो सकती है? SSS, side side side, as in for triangles you have all three sides given in the same ratio, all three sides given in the same ratio. Then you can say obviously the triangles are similar. Yeah, it's already given, or somehow if you can prove that AB by PQ, AB by PQ is equal to, let's say, BC by QR, and that is equal to AC by PR. In that case, we can say what? The triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Clear? Okay. Then we can say this. So this is what we mean by side side side. But in similar triangle, no, usually, and I have solved thousands of questions or 100 of questions at least. So there, for similar triangle topic or similar triangle concept, I have seen most of the time you use angle, most of the time. Yeah, so ये समझना important है. हालांकि बाकी भी important है, equally important है, but angle को समझना important है. Yeah, so that is similar. That they are like, that is the concept of similar triangles. Now, two congruent triangles are automatically similar triangles, but similar triangles are not necessary to be congruent. समझना ध्यान से. congruent triangles, they follow all the property of similar triangles, but similar triangle is not necessary to be congruent triangle. इस चीज को ध्यान रखना. ओके कभी ऐसा काम में आ सकता है. ओके I hope you understood the similar triangle properties and how to prove and what to do with that. Now questions on this we will discuss in the practice set. So stay tuned and have patience. So keep learning. I will see you in the next lecture. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.